What's up, guys? We're out here with the new vlogging camera. This is it. It's the Panasonic LUMIX G85. I've been kind of playing with the settings a little bit. Got the Rogue Micro on there. Rogue Micro, not Micro. It's the Rogue Micro on the little sweet little stand there. So before we switch over to the footage from the other camera, pretty good sizable difference. I kind of felt like an idiot walking around holding this camera, but you really feel this thing is gigantic. Oh my God, it's so huge. Now I really feel like an idiot. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison walking around. I got them both facing at me. Okay, now what I like about this camera, the old camera, is that I can look at the display on it. It's not very bright. I'm having a hard time seeing it. I can see this one really good. What I like about this is I can look right at the display and it looks like I'm looking right at the camera. But this one, if I look at the display, it looks like I'm looking off to the side because it's over to the side of the camera. So that's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, like looking at the lens instead of looking to see if I'm in focus, looking at the lens, looking at to see if I'm in focus. So enough with the camera stuff. All right, I got a lot to learn about this camera, so bear with me a little bit. I really wanna use it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna send it back. Today, I wanna try to get this camper moved over to under this tree, but the problem is there's some tree limbs and stuff I'm gonna have to cut to get it under there. So let's get at it. Now that I got that trailer moved out of the way, now I'm going to try to cut these limbs down. I think I'm going to have to whack that one off and that one. And maybe the little twig coming off of that one. And that'll clear enough so I can get that camper over here under the tree. I hope you can hear me over the kid next door running the leaf blower. But it's pretty cute. The leaf blower is as big as him. Put this in perspective for you. That is a 12-foot step ladder. And to get to that limb, I've got to stand up there. It's kind of scary, I'll be honest with you. I'm not afraid of ladders. I'm afraid of chainsaws and ladders and limbs. I made a perfect little cubby hole to slip the trailer in. Just gonna hook up and back it up in there. Now I know what some of y'all are thinking. Please don't park that camper under that tree, it'll ruin it. The camper's already ruined. If anybody's interested in a camper, message me. I'll give you a good deal on that thing. Right now I just want to get it out of my front yard so I can mow and fly. It's in my way. I'm flying. All right, let's hook up to this thing with the Suburban. No SD card in the Maybe. Well, I didn't record none of that. Backing up to a trailer by yourself stinks. Job well done. Tree limbs aren't even close to it. Looks pretty good, tucked in there. Yes, a whole lot better than being out in the front yard, that's for sure. Well, kind of proud of myself on that one. Did a lot of work. I think what I've figured out is that I'm just gonna leave my little viewfinder closed because I'm not wanting to look over at it. I just look right at the lens instead. We'll see how that works out. I may call it a day on this vlog. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna fly some packs here in a minute. May throw some footage in there. We'll see. Like and subscribe only to my channel. No one else's.